Hello loves and welcome to my channel. This is Deja the Realist and I'm coming to you guys today with a new video. So I just did place an order with SHEIN August 7th. Today is August 18th, 2021. My package was delivered yesterday, but this video is just like a unpackaging of SHEIN products, or like my SHEIN order, because I know that a lot of people are suspicious or suspect about SHEIN because, first of all, if you know, they come from overseas, and I'm not sure if you're anything like me, but if you've placed orders from different places, then you may have found that sometimes you can order stuff from overseas and then it comes and it's not what you expect because it doesn't really look like what they advertised on the picture. That's only happened to me once, but it usually only has to happen once before you start to really get suspicious about different online sites, especially ones that are shipping from overseas. But I have been shopping with SHEIN since the beginning of 2020, and literally they're authentic, they're legit. Everything that I've purchased, it may not necessarily fit me like I want, but they are genuinely a good and quality online store to shop from. So without further ado, I will just show you guys everything, the unpackaging, how everything comes, and you guys can decide for yourself what you want to do from here. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just thought it'd be kind of something cool to make a video about. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, came in this huge bag instead of a box. Probably save some money doing that. Okay, and this is what's inside. So here we go. This is how everything I've ever ordered from them has come. I think maybe, except for like shoes and jewelry, but this is how it comes. This looks a little bigger. A size 6, is my size. Oh, okay. So they tied it up themselves. I thought that I bought a shirt that came like tied up, but that's alright. Not gonna try anything on, but just let you guys see, what's going on here. See. You may notice there are no tags on here like what we have or what we're used to, but isn't it super cute? Love this. Very cute. I'm not gonna show you guys every single thing that I bought, but just wanted to show, like, they are definitely authentic. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like thick. The material's thick. There's no holes in my clothes. It'd be like crazy if this is the one time I had an order with something that was damaged, but I've never had anything damaged that I've ordered from them. This is super cute. So wrinkled. It's hard to even like feel like it's cute when it comes and it looks all wrinkled like this. But when you're only paying like a couple dollars for stuff, you can overlook like little things like wrinkles. This is cute. Can't wait to wear this. Might even be sooner than I thought. Okay, yeah, so there you have it, you guys. This is what it looks like. It's August, so for me this is past time to start shopping for fall. I already literally have more clothes than I have space to put them, even like in storage. Like, you know how you normally pull out your summer stuff in the summer and then put away your winter stuff. I don't even have enough storage bins for my winter stuff at this point. I just bought a couple more the other day, but still, it's like, honey, I'm constantly buying clothes. I have nowhere to put them. I have like piles of clothes. I ain't gonna show y'all because it look how I mess, but I got piles of clothes like already laying around that I need to figure out what to do with. A good amount of space up there, and if I make good use of my space in my closet, hopefully I can get this all figured out. I'm sorry, just up here scratching my eye. But all right, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. I was gonna come down here and do this anyway, just to see how everything looks that I bought. Okay, I got this for my boo to represent for him, because he's from Chicago. So I thought he would like that. He'd be like, oh baby. I'll be like, yeah, I know. I'm the realist. That's funny. I didn't even try to do that. I forgot. I call myself Deja the realist on my channel. And now I'm up here like, yeah, I'm the realist. This works, man. That's how you know it's true, you know? Look at this. So cute. With these drawstring sleeves. Are you kidding me? I love it. Super thick. I know you can tell. Like, this is super thick material. Good quality. I probably paid like $10 or $12 or $20. I don't know. Probably not that much. Not much for this. The freaking cutest thing ever. Got a two-piece, so I thought. Let me see. Oh, and then look at this. Like, yeah. I'm not making this up. This is super cute. I cannot wait to wear this. So cute. Medium. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye. Oh, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, like this video. I don't care if you don't like it. Like the video. Comment if you got something to say. Thank you, you're welcome. Anything, whatever. Comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Alright,